Namaste friends, myself JVN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Mythology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed 7th semester. We will discuss the topic non-testing device in guidance. Meaning of non-testing techniques in guidance. Non-testing techniques in guidance refers to those techniques which do not involve a test. Therefore, many tests like attitudes test, achievement test, interest test, and personality test are not part of it. Non-testing techniques are also collect non-standardized techniques. Furthermore, these techniques have common usage for individuals analysis by counselors. Also, the employment of those settings is in various settings. Non-testing techniques in guidance provide a broader and much more subjective approaches of data gathering and interpretations. Okay. Moreover, the various types of non-testing techniques are the questionnaires, observations, autobiography, incidental records, case study, cumulative records, interviews, and checklist, etc. However, the most important among them are the case study, interview, and checklists. Okay, students. Next, firstly, case study. A case study refers to a collection of all available informations. Now, furthermore, this information could be social, physiological, biographical, vocational, and environmental. Moreover, this collection of information is with the aim of explaining a single individual's most noteworthy. The case study is the comprehensive collections of information. Also, these collections of information takes place through the use of different techniques and tools of data collections. It is certainly the best techniques of studying the whole individuals. Below are the variable those collections must be made in the case study. Okay. Next, the physical, socio-economic, and cultural environments. First of all, the physical environment includes the neighborhoods, the surroundings in which an individual's lives. The socio-economic environment consists of the society in which the persons grow up and the economic conditions. Finally, the cultural environment refers to the ideas, views, and behavior of those among whom one lives. Okay, family collections of detailed and diverse information regarding one's family must take place. This certainly helps in understanding the characteristics of the individuals under study. There must be collection of information regarding the educational and occupational status of family members. Other questions regarding the love, harmony, understanding, conflict among family members, and their place in the case study. Next, interview refers a conversations with a purpose, the purpose of which interviews takes place. A face findings, introductory, evaluates, and informative in nature. Here, an interviewer asks a set of questions to an interviewer to find out the response. The interview is certainly a very important techniques among non-testing techniques. Following are the major types of interview. Employment interview. Firstly, employment interview. The purpose behind such interview is to check the sustainability of a person for a job. The interviewer talks more than the interviews. Okay. Next, interview. Second interview, diagnostic interview. Here the purpose of remediations. Furthermore, here an efforts is made by the interviewer to diagnose the problem of the interviews. Also, interviewers identify the symptoms and tries to solve the problems. Next, counseling interviews. The purpose of this interview is to provide suggestions, insight, and or advice to the interview. Most noteworthy, the interview begins with the work of information collections, then proceeds to guidance and ends with the physiological treatment of the problems. Okay. Next point, checklist. The checklist techniques is also a non-testing techniques to guidance. The checklist techniques involves a series of statements. Furthermore, these statements are positive and negative. Then the evaluators answers yes or no. This techniques check if the evaluators show that behavior or leaves it unchecked. The checklist system includes statement about the habits in the workplace and the skills of individuals. Workplace habits for individuals may include first reports for work on time on most days, exhibits the pleasant behaviors towards the colleges. Next, stay at work until important tasks for are completed. Tends to take criticism quite personally. Hence, the first three statements are positive attributes. However, the fourth statement is a negative attributes. Okay. Thank you, students.